Is your commute more boring than your morning toast? Ditch dull drives today, we're flipping your ride from blah to brilliant with 30 sleek car gadgets. From seat to trunk, we're counting down from 30, let's light it up. All the gadgets links are in the description below. Number 30, Foldable Windshield Sunshade. Foldable design usually made from reflective polyester or aluminum-coated fabric. They fold into a compact disc and come with suction cups or clips. Sizes vary, but common front windshield models are around. Blocks over 90 to 99% of UV rays, significantly reducing cabin heat. Protects dashboard and seats from fading or cracking. Doesn't require installation, just pop open, place inside, fold and store in the included pouch. Typical features in bulk deals: aluminum foil layer, suction cups, OPP storage bag. Number 29, Magnetic Vent Phone Mount. Secure your phone, no slipping on curves. Magnetic car vent mount. CHgeek MagSafe car mount features a built-in cooling fan and LED light, solving the issue of slow charging due to overheating. This wireless car charger operates almost noiselessly, providing cozy ambient lighting. Perfect for your MagSafe car phone holder needs. IT offers 2 air vent clip and suction cup. The MagSafe car charger ensures a secure hands-free experience. Compatible with windshields, dashboards, and air vents, making GPS navigation and phone calls more convenient than ever. Number 28, 72W USB-C Fast Car Charger. Flylead 72W3 outputs. Car charger supports 3 devices charging at once, meeting most of the car's charging needs. 36W upgraded fast charging built-in cable. FLYLEAD cigarette lighter USB charger with retractable 5 feet built-in. 36W fast charge coiled cable. No need to carry an extra fast charging cable during your commute or travel in the car. Built-in retractable coil cable keeps your in-car cable management more tidy. Number 27, EcoNour 2-in-1 car steering wheel desk. The EcoNour beige steering wheel table offers a practical solution for eating, working, or reading in your car, making it an essential accessory for busy lifestyles. One side features a deep cup holder and a flat surface for meals, while the other side provides a smooth, spacious area perfect for laptops and includes a handy pen holder for added convenience, ideal for travelers. Number 26, Astro AI Portable Tire Inflator. This tire inflator is manufactured with Astro AI's unique Tough Ultra technology, so all of its core parts, including its cylinder, motor gears, and connection rod, are built using a powder metallurgy integrated molding technique. This revolutionary manufacturing process greatly enhances the inflator's durability and increases its service life by 30%. Use the M button to set your desired pressure unit, and then press the plus and dash buttons to set the desired pressure. The air compressor will automatically shut off when it reaches the preset pressure. Number 25, Drop Stop Seat Gap Filler. Drop Stop provides 100% gap coverage in front of, surrounding and behind seatbelt catch. Drop Stop attaches to the seatbelt catch via built-in slot, moves with the seat and no need to readjust or reinstall. Each package comes with 2 drop stops, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side, universal fit. You also get 2 bonus gifts: slide-free pad and an LED credit card light. Number 24, Mini Car Diffuser. Car Fragrance Diffusers. It uses new ultrasonic technology. Diffuser operates quietly, producing sound levels. The soft trickle of water creates a calming ambience that surpasses any white noise machine, allowing for uninterrupted sleep or focused work. The diffuser is perfectly sized to fit in a car cup holder, and the USB cord hole is positioned conveniently. Included 1-meter USB cord is compatible with most vehicles. Number 23, Portable Car Vacuum. This cordless car vacuum cleaner features an upgraded high-speed brushless motor, providing powerful performance. Equipped with a vacuum cleaner and dust blower functions, it can suck away or blow away pet hair, crumbs, dust, and sand hidden in the car seat or sofa. And used as an inflatable tool also. LED lights can assist the lighting. Equipped with an upgraded brushless motor, this handheld vacuum cordless rechargeable can reach an amazing speed. Compared with ordinary brushed motors, its working efficiency is doubled and the motor life is extended by 3 times. And the noise is only as low. Number 22, LED Ambient Interior Lights. Car LED lights has 16 million colors, or custom the colors and adjust the brightness through the Smart Apps color palette, let you easily create your own car atmosphere. LED Lights for Car has 28 dynamic modes for you to choose, or customize the parameters of LED strip lights: automatic, flash, jump, fade in and out, brightness adjustment, speed adjustment. Number 21 Bluetooth FM Transmitter. Nolaxi Bluetooth car adapter integrates, offering a high-speed and efficient charging solution. Its innovative 4-port design supports parallel charging of multiple devices, effortlessly overcoming battery anxiety and enhancing charging efficiency. It has one-touch activation of stunning bass effects, reproduces the true texture of music, offering an unparalleled musical experience. The 5-color lighting design provides accurate perception at night, ensuring easy and safe operation, making nighttime driving more relaxed. Number 20 Tile Tracker. Protect lost or stolen stuff and make family life easier. Attached to everyday things like keys, water bottles, or bags. Discreetly trigger an SOS alert to your loved ones in unsafe situations. Ring your misplaced tile, or track it down in the free app Phone hiding under a cushion. Use your tile to make it ring even when silenced. Number 19 Mirror Style Dash Cam. Experience stunning detail with the front camera's upgrade to 4K UHD resolution, paired with a rear camera. The extra-large 12-inch display provides 1.5 times the viewing area of a standard mirror, significantly reducing blind spots for enhanced safety. The G840S mirror dash camera is equipped with an upgraded low reflectivity LCD to reduce daytime reflections. 24-hour parking monitor beyond on-the-road safety with loop recording. The Wolfbox camera also features a 24-hour parking monitor. Number 18 Baseus Car Phone Holder. Imagine trying to hold your phone while driving like balancing an egg on a spoon at full speed. A smart car phone holder steps in as your reliable helper. It grips your phone tightly, even on bumpy roads or sudden stops, thanks to a strong suction that sticks firmly to your dashboard. It also wirelessly charges your phone fast at 15 watts. The holder folds away neatly when not in use and fits many phone brands. At just $12.55, it makes driving safer and easier, keeping your phone ready for navigation and hands-free calls. Enjoy peace of mind on every trip. Number 17. Portable Gravity Sandblaster. A handheld tool uses air pressure to blast abrasive materials like sand or beads onto surfaces, removing rust, paint, and dirt from metal, wood, or plastic. It relies on gravity to feed the abrasive steadily through the nozzle, giving good control over the cleaning process. Lightweight and easy to hold, it is great for working in different places without a fixed setup. Adjustable settings help control the strength of the blast. Ideal for restoring cars, metalwork, or DIY tasks, it prepares surfaces by creating a clean, rough texture that helps paint stick better. Number 16. LED Expressions. Drivers who like a bit of fun can brighten their ride with this cool rear window gadget. It has 8 LED modes to show your feelings on the road. With 290 bright amber lights, it turns your hand signs into glowing messages everyone sees. Say thanks with a thumbs up, show anger with a face, or get sarcastic with the middle finger glow. Easy to attach and fits your rear window, it makes driving more fun and less stressful. Number 15. Smart Car Key. An advanced key lets drivers unlock, lock, and start a vehicle without a traditional key. It uses wireless signals like Bluetooth or radio waves to connect with the car. The key can stay in a pocket or bag while doors open with a simple button press. Some keys allow the remote engine to start to warm up or cool down the car before entry. Enhanced security features make it harder for thieves to copy or steal the key. Many include alarm control and can link to smartphone apps. This system adds convenience and safety for everyday driving. Number 14. Smart Vehicle Health Monitor. This handy device plugs into your car's OBD2 port to track mileage, trip time, and savings easily. It creates IRS-approved reports to help you save up to $5,000 in tax deductions. It also monitors engine health in real time, alerts you to issues, and reads error codes when the check engine light comes on. With self-repair videos, you can fix problems yourself and save over $1,000. Extra features like Car Finder and a Pro dashboard give you detailed driving info, keeping your car running smoothly and saving money. Number 13. Tire Snow Chains. Chains fit around tires to improve grip on snowy and icy roads. Made of metal links or cables, they create rough surfaces that stop slipping and sliding. These devices help drivers control their vehicles better and reduce stopping distances in winter. They work on many types of vehicles like cars, trucks, and SUVs. Easy to put on and take off, they come with simple instructions and tools. While using them, driving speed should be slower to protect tires and roads. When not in use, they can. Number 12. Steering wheel buttons. Want full control right at your fingertips? These compact steering wheel buttons make driving feel like piloting a spaceship. They let you adjust audio, switch radio stations, and manage calls without taking your hands off the wheel or eyes off the road. Easily change songs, raise volume, or mute calls with smartly placed buttons that reduce distractions and boost safety. This simple upgrade adds convenience and peace of mind, all for under $10, making every drive smoother and safer. Number 11. LED light strip. Picture your car glowing with bright, colorful lights like a spaceship or a lively concert stage. This flexible, waterproof light strip can bend any way you want and be cut to the perfect size. It creates a warm glow that can be bright and exciting or soft and relaxing. The lights stay cool even when on for a long time and last over 12,000 hours. It's an easy and fun way to add style and light to your car rides. Number 10. Back support pillow. Long sitting can make your back hurt. This support pillow helps by giving soft memory foam that fits your lower back curve. It keeps your spine straight and eases muscle pain. You can use it in cars, at work, or at home. The pillow has straps to fit many chairs and car seats. Its cover is breathable and cool. This pillow makes sitting easier and more comfortable. It helps your posture and reduces back pain. Use it every day to feel less tired and more relaxed. Number 9. Protective sticker. Ever slammed your car door and heard a loud thud? This clear protective sticker helps stop scratches and dents. It's almost invisible, like magic. When your door hits something, the sticker acts like a soft shield to protect your car. If you don't stick it right the first time, no worries, you can peel it off and try again without marks. Its strong glue keeps it in place through bumps, saving you money on repairs and keeping your car looking great. Number 8. Pump wedge. An inflatable tool creates space between a door and its frame by gently lifting or separating them. Made from strong, flexible material, it is inserted into a gap and then inflated using a pump or air source. As it expands, it makes enough room for tools to work on the door, such as for unlocking or repairs. Used by locksmiths and repair workers, it helps open stuck or jammed doors safely without causing damage. Compact and easy to carry, this tool protects doors and frames during work and makes tasks easier and more precise. Number 7. Water repellent coating. Imagine a surface that stays dry even in heavy rain. This water repellent coating forms a clear, almost invisible layer that makes water bead up and roll off, like a lotus leaf. It keeps water, dirt, and mud away, helping your car, windows, or gear stay cleaner and look newer longer. It protects against moisture, reducing rust, stains, and sun damage. Works on glass, metal, fabric, and more. Easy to apply and long-lasting, it keeps your things fresh and protected every day. Number 6. Car blind spot mirrors. These small mirrors stick onto your side mirrors to help you see hard-to-spot areas. Their curved shape gives a wider view of the road behind and beside you. This makes it easier to see cars, cyclists, or people in your blind spots. They're simple to stick on and easy to adjust. This extra view makes changing lanes or merging safer and helps you drive with more confidence. Though things may look smaller in these mirrors, they help you avoid accidents by showing more around you. Number 5. Car paint touch-up pen. A small pen filled with color-matched paint helps fix tiny scratches and chips on a car's surface. Its fine tip allows accurate application, making it easy to repair small spots without causing a mess. Some versions include a clear coat for extra shine and protection. Before using, it's best to clean the area to ensure the paint sticks well. This tool helps prevent rust and keeps the car looking neat. It works on areas like doors, bumpers, and mirrors. Compact and simple to use, it fits easily in a glove box or toolbox for quick repairs, helping maintain a polished appearance. Number 4. Portable car wax machine. This small, light tool makes waxing your car fast and easy. Its compact size lets you carry it anywhere, to use at home or on the go. The machine spreads wax evenly on your car, protecting the paint and leaving a smooth, shiny finish. With its rotating pad, it cleans off dirt, old wax, and grime while polishing your car, saving you time and effort compared to waxing by hand. The soft, adjustable pad works on big flat areas and tight spots, giving your car a fresh, professional shine with little work. Number 3. Car wheel cleaning brush. It makes it easy to bring back the shine to your wheels. It has soft bristles that clean break dust and tough dirt without scratching. The handle is comfortable, so you can reach all spots, even tight corners and deep areas. Different sizes fit all kinds of wheels, so you can clean big and small spaces well. Made from strong materials that resist cleaning chemicals, these brushes last a long time. Using this brush makes wheel cleaning easy and keeps your car looking fresh without much effort. Number 2. Car Wheel Polish. Keep your wheels looking new with a simple polish. First, wash your wheels well to remove dirt, brake dust, and grime. After cleaning, apply polish made for your wheel type to remove dull spots, light scratches, and oxidation. Rub or wipe the polish on, then buff it until your wheels shine bright and smooth. This polish not only brings back sparkle but also protects against rust, stains, and damage from road salt and rough weather. Using it often keeps your wheels fresh and your car looking great. Number 1. Digital Side View Monitor. Traditional door mirrors are being replaced by digital side view monitors. Small cameras on your car's doors send clear, real-time images to screens inside. These cameras work well in rain, snow, and dirt. The monitor shows a wider view when you turn, reverse, or need extra help, reducing blind spots. This system also helps your car cut through the wind better. Though not for all cars yet, it's growing popular. This new tech gives better safety, clearer views, and a modern look for your car. And that's a wrap for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Which one is your favorite? Leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.